I need to go out because I have to go to Leicester Technician Computer Shop to leave my MacBook Pro to be in repair, as I hope. He has a serious problem in the motherboard, and I hope Leicester be able to repair it, as I really hope so much. I received a good news. Leicester was able to repair the MacBook Pro, and I'm so happy. Really, I'm very happy because in lockdown, quarantine, without the availability to go out, what are you gonna do at home all day without your computer? And this is a very great news.
Oops, sorry. Over there you can see Mandaluyong Hospital. It's there, the entrance. Lester, you see? He's a legend. He's very good. He already repaired a desktop computer without hope, and now it's like new. This is Lester, the computer shop. Hi Lester. Hi, good morning, buongiorno. I'm ready to go out. I wear the surgical mask because I want to go to pharmacy to buy a solution for my eyes. I suffer of dry eyes. Maybe because I stay always in front of the computer. Maybe it's going to rain. The weather is nice, but there are many clouds in the sky. Okay, going down now. Okay, waiting the elevator again. We are on the second floor. The second floor is a garage for the cars, for the rubbish. Let's wait. I suffer of dry eyes. Maybe because I always stand in front of the computer most of the time. Oh, I think it's going to rain. I want to go to visit Lester, the computer technician, because my MacBook Pro is getting hot. I know I need to change the battery set, but maybe until the ECQ is not going to be finished, I want to get some advices by him and see if he can get the battery I needed. And the traffic, as you can see, is getting higher. By the last week. Where is Lester? He's over there. I still need to walk more. Yes, it's getting higher, the traffic. More people around. Lester is over there. It's near Andok's shop. Maybe it's closed, but I think not, because he always work always, Lester. Yes, it's open. Hi Lester, how are you?
Fine, sir.
I come here just because I need to go to the pharmacy before, and I want to ask, because the MacBook Pro is getting hot When is the battery? Is the battery, yeah?
Yes, yes.
Is the, so we need to replace.
Yes. After the ECQ, because the supplier now is all closed. So
Okay, let me see the shop.
it's
It's your office, right?
Yes.
And Lester, sometimes the MacBook Pro is getting so hot, then all is blocked. So I need to restart and wait. It's getting cold. Is the meaning of that?
No, it's not the battery. You can download a fan app.
Fan up
A fan application, DMG.
is.
And you can boost up the
Really?
yeah, you can boost up the fan.
Oh, what's the name? Fan up.
Yes.
Okay, Lester. Okay, you want to say something about your work? Because you're very good, huh?
Ah,
So when you start to be a supercomputer, a legend, a supercomputer technician here.
I started in 1998 at NTC Shanghai, China.
From China.
I'm from China.
You study like an engineer, right?
No, not.
No?
No, not. When I was young, I was always likes electricity. That's why I read books and I read books every day in that year. That's why when I applied to Shanghai, I'll pass.
So you follow your passion.
Yes, this is my passion.
Yes. Can I have a look to
Yes,
your office because it's so nice. You have to know that Lester did a miracle to my desktop computer. He was almost dead, and I don't know how he did. He is new again, and so I'm so lucky because I have him near to my place, and for me the computer is so important. How long that you working? Have you been working here?
My shop is 2006.
2006.
Yes.
Oh, so
This is a 14-year shop.
14 years. Oh, but you're very known here because I always see clients. Not today, maybe because it's Sunday, but it's always.
No, there's coming,
they're coming,
and
they're coming.
by schedule because
Yeah.
of the ECQ.
Yes. So you have a son that he want to follow your
Yes.
career. That is good because he has a good teacher.
But you have to study.
Yes.
Before it has no before there's no course about motherboard repair. Before in
yes,
1998,
yes.
1996, 1995, there's no schooling about that.
Yes.
But now there is.
Oh, that's good. That's good.
Yeah.
Okay, Lester. So I go back, and I need to give you. Didn't forget. I need to
Yes,
give you
yes.
1,000, but I will give you. Don't
Yeah, no
worry.
problem.
Don't worry. So when the ECQ is going to be ended, as I hope, I come here
Yes,
to
maybe.
change the. But if you can get, huh?
Yes, I will. I always DM the direct message the supplier because
Yeah.
I have many orders of LCD, but they can't open right now because their shop is in the mall. They cannot go there. They cannot get the
Yeah.
item.
Yeah. You're right. You're right. Okay, Lester, you want to say something else to this?
If you have a laptop or cell phone repair, you can go out to my shop. There's this 329 Maysilo Street, Mandaluyong City, in front of the City Hall, and I will fix it for you.
Okay. Now that I going out, I take a shot of your phone, and I put the link on your Facebook.
Thanks. I already follow your.
You follow
Yes.
me? Also YouTube channel, because
Yes.
I publish this video there.
Yes.
But I will notify you so you know. Okay, Lester. Thank you.
Thank you.
See you
Can I
next
ask
time.
something?
Yes.
Where did you buy the cockroach thing?
Oh, yes, the cockroach I bought at Robinson in Pasig. I have to go there to buy because only there I can get. If I go there, I will buy some box for you because they are so helpful.
It's effective. They
It's
can
so
kill
effective. Yes.
the small cockroach because the small cockroach did not.
Yes.
It's immune to the bigger bygone thing.
Okay, I will buy for you if I find.
Okay.
See you again.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.